Okay, here we're taking a look at the JBL Live 3 2. Now, as part of the JBL Live range as well, we did a video on our other channel about how to choose the best earbud. The Live range is a premium end of the JBL earbud range. As you can see, it's in pink today. There you can see the earbuds as well. Now, this is the bud design, which I really like. Now, I'm going to go into a bit more detail about why these are actually very, very nice earbuds. So I'm going to start by popping them out and having a look. So there's the case to start with. Now, it's a pebble case. So there it is just there. Isn't that nice? Pebble case just there. And there's the earbud shape. Let's go and take out the actual earbuds themselves so I can show you guys what that looks like too. So drum roll please. And there are the earbuds just there. Don't they look nice as well? Take them out. So I'm going to put that to the side just for a minute, guys. And there you can see, so there's the tube design. So they sit on your ears like that. And that sits in your ears just there. Now, the good thing about that is it gives good noise sealing as well, so you can't hear the environment around you. Now, in the case, we pop them in there, and it's magnetic as well, so you can pop that in there, see how that holds in there, and pop that one in there too. See how it doesn't move at all? Now, the great thing with these is they've got incredible battery life. So you've got 35 hours, so you've got 7 hours in the buds, another 28 hours in the case as well, and they've got smart charging too. They've also got wireless charging as well, so you pop this on a wireless charger, and it starts to charge for you straight away. Now the earbuds themselves, go look at a bit more detail, have 11mm drivers. So 11mm drivers is very, very good for earbuds. They also have the touch controls in, which we'll talk about. Now they also have 6 microphones in each earbud as well. So you've got 6 in each one, which means they're gonna be very, very good for calling. And these use adaptive noise cancelling as well. So it actually adapts to noise around you. With noise cancelling, which we'll talk a bit more about in the review. But you can see there, and they've also got dual connect as well. So you can do multi-point connections on different devices. But as you can see, they look very, very nice. And they feel very premium as well. And I guess that's a key thing. You want to have premium earbuds feeling premium. They've got the USB-C charging there as well if you need it. And again, just going back into the box, you have the instruction guides, instruction booklets, pretty standard for JBL. And you also have the different wingtips you can choose as well. So if you want to try them differently in your ears, you can do that. And you've got the charging cable there too. So, but as you can see, very, very nice pair of earbuds. And you can see why they have the premium filter.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Okay, let's take a quick unboxing of the JBL Tune Beam. As you can see, they're just here. Let's open up the box and see what comes in it. So we just open up the box just like that. Now again, I love the blue color as well. Now the JBL Tune Beam again are the mid-range of the JBL earbuds, the Choose Your Earbud range, which we spoke about earlier. So you're gonna get a good mix in these. So there's the case. Again, you've got the JBL Pebble case as well. Again, not too heavy as well, nice and light. Comes with USB-C charging just there too. Pop open and have a look. So there are the earbuds just there. So you've got the charging indicator. You've got the magnetic case. So turn upside down. They don't pop out, which guys, I think is really, really cool. So let's pop one out and have a look at it. So would you believe in this earbud just here, you're getting 12 hours of battery life on standard play, which is really, really incredible. And you're getting another 36 hours with the case too, charging, which is fantastic. Now these earbuds have 4 mics in them as well. So 4 mics enable you get to crystal clear calling as well. Use them on the phone, they're very clear to hear people. But also love the design. So these are the stick design, and these are probably my favorite because they have the silicone tips at the back. Now, silicone tips means it holds quite well in the ear, but also stops the noise coming from the outside. So the noise cancelling will work very well, the active noise cancelling with these. And on that point, we're going to go test out the active noise cancelling later. You're going to see how these have very, very good active noise cancelling. So they work very well. But there's a case there, but 48 hours battery life. It's probably among the top of the battery life I've had with JBL earbuds so far. Now, we've also got Bluetooth 5.3 and LE support. So it basically streams music with low power consumption. and you can actually do music independently in each earbud. So you can play music through that earbud, and you can play music through that earbud, which I think is really cool. And they also come with IP54 rating as well. So go test them out later, but you can use them at the gym, running around, and they won't, take much at all. Let's go back and have a look at the case to see what else comes in it. So again, with JBL, you've got your standard USB-C charging there, and you've also got your instruction booklet, which is pretty standard for JBL. And you've also got your different ear tips that you can use if you want to use that. But the close stick design I find really, really comfortable, and I enjoy using these. So there they are there. Let's get started.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got
Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the unboxing of JBL Wave Flex. As you can see here are the earbuds. Now this is part of the Wave range as we spoke about, which is JBL's entry-level range. But you've got to find out why these really pack a lot more punch than you would think. So let's take a look and take out the earbud case to start with. So there we are. So JBL case again, it's got the Pebble case as well, which you guys are used to. So let's go and take a look. Now these use the open stick design for the earbuds. So go back to the case in one moment and take a look at the earbuds closely. So open stick design means they don't have the plastic thing at the back. So just sit on your ears like this. Again, these are great designs and allows the music to channel directly into your earbuds through that little speaker there, which is really nice. Now they've got 8 hours of battery life in each earbud if you're using them without noise cancelling. And you're getting another 24 hours in the case, which is excellent, really, really good. Now these come with 12mm drives as well, which is quite high for earbuds. That means you're getting some very, very high quality audio and some really punchy music as well. We're going to test out the music later to show you guys how that works, but it works really well. We're going to test out the comfort too, so you can see that in there. Again, magnetic case, so as you can see, it doesn't pop out when you put it in there. They're water and dust resistant too, which I think is absolutely fantastic. What else do you get in the box? Well, you get the instruction booklet, the quick start guide, pretty standard for JBL products, and you also get the charging cable in there as well, and other wingtips to use, but I'll put those to the side. Don't really care too much about that at the moment. And there's the earbud there as well. So they come with IP54 rating as well, so water and dust resistant. You can also customize these through the JBL app, which obviously we'll show you guys soon. And the great thing is 10 minutes of charging here gives you 2 hours of battery life, so works very, very well. As you can see there, God damn it. As you can see there, while it's a budget entrant into the marketplace, what you're getting, below $100, and it's also a red dot winner as well. So that means it actually won an award for audio too. So guys, lovely little earbuds, fit well, great case, great size, and a ton of features. So now
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me.